Hi guys, we're on day three on our three-part series on unplugging. So far, we have looked at how creating a regular rhythm of unplugging from the technology in our lives creates the necessary space for uninterrupted time with God and the necessary sensitivity to see and respond to the needs of the people around us where we live, work, and play. Today, we will consider one final benefit of unplugging, which is through rest for our mind, body, and soul. The technology in our lives is an open door, a portal to the outside world, connecting us to friends, family, news, social media, work, and entertainment. Access to technology is a beautiful gift from a gracious God when kept within healthy boundaries. But without moments throughout the day when we shut the door to the outside world, our minds become anxious, straining, and toiling for more and more. What started out as exciting has turned into a low level of noise that never fades. We feel numb, frozen, and overwhelmed by the sheer volume of information coming at us from our technology. We want to step away to unplug, but we fear missing out. Somehow we feel like we will be left out. All of this straining and toiling hundreds of years ago, in a world void of today's technology, the author of Ecclesiastic wrote, "What do mortals get from all the toil and strain which they toil under the sun? For their days are full of pain, and their work is a vexation. Even at night, their minds do not rest." Hmm. Well, perhaps we would do well to heed the advice of Kevin the Young, who wrote, "Make boundaries and fight to protect them. The simplest step to breaking the tyranny of the screen is also the hardest step. We can't be connected all of the time." Most of us are overdue for a screen Sabbath. Segments of the day, even whole days where we will not be on the grid or in front of an electronic device. So, what would it look like for us to unplug from our technology in order to find true rest for our mind, body, and soul? One suggestion might to be create a screen Sabbath for 30 to 60 minutes on the bookends of the day. Think on these bookends as a place of refuge where the door to our technology is bolted shut in order for our mind, body, and spirit to find rest in the presence of God. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this devotional or three-part series, and I hope it helps you to be able to unplug and to research your life, because it has helped me. And I think my most challenging part was um, being on WhatsApp or my Instagram, Facebook, because my day would go on so quickly because I was just scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and scrolling mindlessly, and I'd find that I wasn't even productive. But ever since I cut these things off, I've seen the benefits, and so um I hope this works for you and you like it. And yeah, man, enjoy your days. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna grow this channel, and yes, let's pray for consistency, bro. For consistency.